Welcome back. In our exploration of artificial intelligence applications, we've covered the fundamentals and building blocks. Today we dive into a revolutionary AI technology that's transforming how we interact with machines, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on vast amounts of text data and excels in understanding and generating human-like text responses. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that feels remarkably human. That's the power of ChatGPT. Whether it's answering questions, providing recommendations, or engaging in casual conversation, ChatGPT can do it all. If you're eager to learn how to access ChatGPT, let's explore how to create an account with it. Creating an account with ChatGPT is quick and easy. Just take a browser of your choice and go to this URL. There we have the ChatGPT. You will see login button and a sign up button. Since we don't have an account, we need to sign up first. Click on the sign up, and we will land here. Here we have the sign up facility through Gmail account, Microsoft account, or Apple account. You can use any of them, or even you can start by typing an email address. Click on continue, and then it will ask for a password. Select a password of your choice and continue. ChatGPT needs to verify you. For that, you will be receiving an email with a link to ChatGPT similar to this. Click on the green button Verify Gmail address and it will come here. Then you need to log in again with email ID and password. That's it. Now we are ready to chat with ChatGPT. Now that you have your account set up, let's dive into some basic prompts to get a feel for how ChatGPT works. You can start by asking simple questions or giving it prompts like tell me a joke or what's the weather like today? Yeah, don't you see the response? ChatGPT is actually replying like a human. Great. Yes, pretty good responses. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, so feel free to ask questions or engage in casual conversation. Let's try it out. You can continue chats in a single chat, or you can create new chat with this new chat icon. Let's try another prompt. What's the capital of France? There it responded with two different samples, which checks for our preference of communication. ChatGPT will use the selected mode of reply for its continuation as you ask more. Here in the left side you can see your chat history. ChatGPT will keep the history for your future reference. You can continue asking questions in any of your previous chat, you can edit them or even delete them. This is an easy way to continue your chat at a later time. Also, you might have seen the title for the chat history is automatically generated with the content of question asked. You can rename that too from the menu on the three dots next to you chat history. You can ask any kind of questions here. For example, let's see how it responds to mathematical questions. See how it responds to a question on Pythagorean theorem. Here in the second question, regarding the Pythagorean theorem, it explains the theorem well, showing the formula, explaining each variables in the formula, and a brief history of the invention of the theorem. How do you feel it? Excited? So in this way, ChatGPT can be used as a great tool for learning too. So it can handle simple maths to complex things, and even more complex. As you can see, ChatGPT provides helpful and accurate responses to a variety of prompts. Don't hesitate to experiment with different questions and topics to see what ChatGPT can do. And there you have it. Creating an account with ChatGPT is the first step towards unlocking the power of conversational AI. Whether you need assistance, information, or just want to have a chat, ChatGPT is here to help. Sign up today and start your AI journey. And now, we're excited to announce that ChatGPT is now available on mobile phones. You can easily install it from the Play Store or the App Store. Enjoy seamless conversations wherever you go. So far you see the capabilities of ChatGPT free version 3.5. There are a lot more in the premium version, but it has monthly subscription fee. But don't worry, OpenAI has made the ChatGPT 4.0 free for limited access. It is an improved version of ChatGPT 3.5. It can process images too. Moreover, it can process different kind of files such as text files, MD, CSV, Word documents, PDF, rich text files, AUT, HTML, XML, Python files, JSON, YAML, JavaScript, Java, C files, C++, header files, SQL files, shell script files, Excel files, PowerPoint presentations. You can upload them using the attachment icon in the ChatGPT 4.0 and ask questions based on them. Use your free access now. Thank you for your interest in knowing more about technology. In the coming videos we will see more interesting topics. Until then, stay tuned.